Hi YouTubers, welcome back to the channel, and for those that haven't seen the channel before, welcome to the new channel. Basically today we're going to start a new series called WIFEY Tries, because us AMG owners, many of us have wives. Many of the wives stay indoors while we're in the garage all day. They become sort of like garage, what's the word?
Widows.
Garage widows, that's the word. But this time we're going to try and include my wife. We're all inclusive here on this channel. We're going to include the wife, and more importantly, teach her some things that will come in handy for her life, because you know I'm not going to be around forever. Today we're going to start off with topping up the windscreen washer fluid, something that she's always asking me to do. Now we're going to show her how to do it herself. These videos, I'm going to get her to do the things herself first and see what she actually does. It could be comicable, or whatever the word is, could be funny, or it could be that she actually knows what to do. We're going to find out together. So let me introduce my wife, Angie.
Hi.
So this is Angie, my wife of 30 odd years, and yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun with this. So as I say, we've got a long list of things we're going to do on various different videos, but today's one is all about the washer fluid, and we're all going to do all the work on the ML. So Ange, your job today is to top up the washer fluid.
Okay.
Here we go, guys. Okay, so Angie, where do we start with this? What would you need to do first to get into the engine area?
Lift the bonnet.
How are you going to do that? You need to release the.
Yeah, I need to go inside.
Okay.
I'm not sure even what button
So
it
unlock
is.
the car.
I don't even know what button.
You'll hear it click when it's thingy. There you go.
Aye. Okay.
You're looking for a handle that will release the bonnet.
Well, it used to be under here. On my car.
Okay, so on your car it's actually on the other side. Now,
Okay.
on every Merc that we've got, you are right on looking on this side. However, on this particular car,
Okay.
it's actually on the other side.
Okay.
So off we go to the passenger side.
Oh, there's a lever here.
Yes.
Yeah.
You would pull that.
Yeah.
You would normally feel a bit of a resistance on it, and it would release the bonnet. Now you've got to go to the front and find the catch that then lets you open the bonnet fully. Look at the star.
That one?
The other one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know.
Okay.
Right, there.
That's it. Yeah. Pull it. Now you can lift up the bonnet. There you go. We're in.
There's a stick that holds it up.
No, it'll stay there.
Okay.
Okay. Where is the washer fluid now?
Well, there's two bottles, but there is a picture.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well done.
There
On
is a
all
picture.
cars, there will always be a picture. Well, I say all cars. Most modern cars have a picture of your windscreen washer. There are other things in this engine. I'm not going to overload your mind with what they are, but yes,
Okay.
this is where you would fill it. So well done. Excellent.
Okay.
Okay, what do you need now?
Well, I need some more fluid, I suppose.
Okay, so let's go into the garage and find our
And can I
fluid.
say, they're both blue, which confuse me. This one says cold, so I'm thinking that's some sort of coolant or
Correct.
something, right?
Absolutely
Okay.
correct. Well
Okay.
done.
Right, so I've got to go and find
Some coolant in the.
but they're both blue.
Ah, okay. So let's go into the garage and see what we find. Okay, into the garage we go.
Well, these are the bottles, so...
Yeah. Luckily, I keep all my fluids in one particular corner.
Well, we can get rid of carpet shampoo. And that says antifreeze, so we don't need that.
Yeah. Well done.
I'm not sure about that. It's blue, but I'm not sure about that.
Clear streak, smooth finish, and I can see a bit of a wash on there. So you're right. That is probably it. Now the issue
there's a
is.
picture there, look.
Yeah, the issue is this will be concentrate. So what this is expecting us to do is to mix it with
Dilute.
water. Yeah, dilute it with water.
Okay.
You'll see ones that are all sealed. I've obviously not mixed yet, but there should be one there where I've
What's
already
the
started
pink
mixing.
one?
That would be coolant as well.
Coolant.
Yeah.
So you've got blue coolant in your car. Then?
Yeah, but other cars take pink ones.
Okay. System flush. Oh, that's for the spa. Okay, I found something else blue here. Screenwash.
Excellent. And because it's obviously been opened, it's clearly been put, mixed already. You might want to put some more water in, so maybe we can use the sink over there to put some more water in it.
Okay.
But this is good news. Ange knew exactly where to go. So, you know, that's excellent. So we're getting somewhere. This is really good. And there we go, mixing the fluid.
Is that enough?
Okay, so we've got the mixture ready. You can pour it in and try your best to get it in the hole, because it is quite a large 5-litre tub, or you could use
Some sort of funnel.
okay, my funnels are conveniently placed.
Oh yeah. Anyone?
Yeah, that does be good. Gives you more to aim for. So out we go, back to the car. We're pretty much on the home straight now.
We are. Oh, we are what she says.
I'll hold it in my.
Thank you. And there's a fill line.
Yeah, I mean, pretty much when you get near towards the top, it'll be on this. On some cars there are a fill line, but it's pretty much on towards the top.
That smells good.
Oh! Well, there's the first thing. Fluid all over my hand and everywhere else.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Scared to hold this now because it's covered again.
Oh.
And there she goes. So keep an eye on the
Side.
filling.
It's quite heavy. Oh.
Yes, it is. It's 5 litres.
Pour it a bit calmer.
Okay, I think we're doing well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's,
Oh,
that's
it's
enough.
cool.
I mean, it can go higher, but. And now the ML feels happy that she's got some screen wash ready for winter. So that is a result. Well done, Andrew.
Yay!
So next time when you're asking me to do screen wash for your car, what are the steps involved?
Same sort of thing, isn't it?
Yeah, unlock the car.
Yeah, find the release. I
Yeah.
think I'm not even sure about that, but
On
I'll
your
find
car,
the
it's
release.
on the passenger side, same as this ML.
Okay. And then yeah, fill it up.
Got it up.
And I know where to go.
And then that is job
Job
done.
done.
There you go, guys. So, as I say, we're going to have some more footage, some more little challenges and learning lessons for Angie to do over the coming weeks and months. So stay tuned to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed this one and found it informative.
Oh, it stinks.
Put it on there.
Can you smell it?